Two testing, one, two, one, two. All right. Hello. How's everybody doing? Hello, Jasmine. How are you? All right. How's everybody doing? Uh, Today I'm going to do a short live session because my voice is still pretty much out, but I am here nonetheless. So the volatility in these markets is crazy. It's crazy at the moment. Um, if you are a VIP member, you know that we were short the pound very heavily. We were short the pound very heavily. We shorted, um, yeah, let me show you. Smokey, welcome to the VIP, mate. Welcome to the VIP. So, um, this is what we did on the pound US dollar yesterday. Yesterday, I took this trade, the first one. The second one, the more aggressive entry, was the one that I was talking about during my live show yesterday, right? I took a ton off here today. I took a ton off here today, and I also was short the pound yen. I took this trade. I took three trades on the pound yen. I took this one. Um, then I took this one and then this one. These two I closed entirely. And when price hit these lows, I left this one at break even. Just a second, guys. I'm sorry. I left this one at break even, right? Because I think that I risked 0.5% on this one. And on today's UK news, you know, I got stopped out of break even on the rest of my pound shorts, right? But still, it was a great trade on the pound short, uh, uh, both the GBP USD and the GBP Yen, Japanese yen. I'm sorry. So if you notice here, the GBP USD came back to my sell zone, but the market was extremely volatile at that time, and I wasn't going to you know, aggressively entry a sell here, more so because of the volatility would have given me a big slippage, I reckon. Right now, gold. I am long gold right now. Let me show you um, the. I'm gonna show you the setup that I was hunting today in long gold. I took a long in gold right here today right here, right. um it was it was not a perfect entry model, but I took it anyways and I got stopped out, right. Then price came down all the way to the 1615, and I was looking at this market structure. And I was looking at the change of the character of the market on the short term and the break of the structure, meaning that the upside was confirmed on the very short term, right? And then liquidity started to form here and then here, right? As you already know, my entry in this model, right? My entry zone is between the 79 and 88.6 at, in this case, the area of demand, right? Uh, I was targeting the highs of the move, right? Let me just delete this. I was targeting the highs of the highs of the previous range. So basically, I had in my hands a 5 hour trade, which means that if I had risked 1% on this trade, I would have made 5% in about 2 minutes, right? This was during this volatility was, or this trade panned out during the UK or the Bank of England news. But you know what? Technically speaking, it was a spot on setup. I didn't take this trade, sadly, but hey, Jonathan, how are you? Tabu, how are you, man? Hey, Watoyi, how are you? I didn't take this trade, you're right. I wasn't in front of my screens at the time. At the time I left my screen, this is the 1 minute chart, right? If you look here at the top left of my screen, at the time that I left my screen's price was trading around this level, right? And there was a ton of sell side liquidity here, so I needed to wait for this liquidity to be taken out and then look for an entry, right? And well, sadly, I didn't take it, and yeah, I didn't take it. Right now, I am in another gold trade, another gold long at the moment, and let me explain to you my thought process on this dip buy. I'm really sorry about my voice, guys. I'm gonna try my best. So, I'm sorry. What I was looking here is a dip buy for a continuation of this massive move, right? If you calculate the move from the bottom to the highs, we're talking about an almost 1%, right? Now, price has retraced from the highs to the very lows about 0.6%, which is cool, right? That's an arguably good zone to look for deep buys. Also, what I was looking at was this previous area. I'm sorry, this previous area of where was it? Uh, let's have a look. Um, where was it? Yeah, this was this previous failed zone, something like this. I just deleted that the the zone, but you know what? I'm gonna look for it for you guys. Uh, it is the previous failed supply zone right here. That's right. So the previous failed supply area that got taken out here. This is just a massive bull trap, right? It got taken out here, right? So I was looking for deep buys at this area. Now, my entry is a little bit higher because I didn't want to miss the trade. So, um, my entry is about, it's exactly at the 125.15, right here. This was the perfect setup, but my entry is at the 125.15. So this is my trade, right? Uh, the reason that I took my entry there and my stop losses are this wide is because of how volatile the market is at the moment, right? I am targeting the 1640 in this trade. 50-minute chart. Let's have a look at this. I am targeting, right? This buy side liquidity just got taken out, right? Now we have this buy side liquidity that I am looking for. I am looking to get swept, I'm sorry, and I am targeting the very highs of the move, right? That is my trade idea, and yeah, the reason that well, have a look at that. The reason that I took an entry, a little higher than my actual zone is because I wanted to get triggered on that on this long position, right? Um, at the beginning, my stop losses were I don't remember. I think they were around here, but then I decided to move them all the way below that uh, failed supply now demand area, right? I'm sorry, guys. Hi, Excellency. How are you? So the reason, also the reason that I was looking for longs, of course, is because of this change in the character of the market, right? And I was also waiting for this sell side liquidity to be taken out. Now, I'm in that trade. My trade is, in profits. It's in profits at the moment, which is cool, right? Um, that is that's what I'm doing at the moment, right? Hey guys, and I am not looking for another trade, you know. Today I added on my pound yen shorts. Let me show you. And I closed them at break even actually. I added here, around here. I don't remember. I think that yes, I added here. This was my short trade, my fourth short trade on the pound yen that I closed at break even, right? Because it failed to break these lows. So I closed at break even that trade. Gold is rocking. So I closed at break even that trade. And I had, the very last of my two positions on the pound, one on the pound yen and one on the pound dollar at break even. So I don't lose any money there. All right, so gold is looking good finally. Yeah. In hindsight, everybody is a hindsight hero, right? But in hindsight, always, always review your setups, review your trades. Yeah, in hindsight, I should have waited for my zone to get hit. Uh, and I'll put my buy limit a little bit lower around the 124. But that's fine. That's fine. This is looking very good. This is looking very good. So congratulations to everybody in this trade with me. I'm sorry, guys. I am really, really sorry. If you have any questions, just go ahead, type it on the chat. I do have a couple of coupons, discount coupons for the VIP groups. Uh, I don't remember the discount coupon. Oh boy, shit. Sorry. Um, what are they? So I have two 50% discount coupons that the first two people uh, that use them are going to get them, right? The coupon code is live50, like this. 50% discount for any VIP group on the monthly subscription only, right? Now, on the 50-minute chart, gold looks amazing. This deep buy looks phenomenal. And yeah, I'm gonna hold this trade. I'm gonna hold this trade. Of course, that I actually might take some off. I'm sorry, uh, around the 1631 or so. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We have still yet to see pre-market volume. And the open volume. But you know what? This deep buy was spot on. This entry at the lows at the 16, 17 level was so spot on. This one hurt. Completely honest with you guys, this one hurt. What other markets I'm looking at? Let's have a look at the spools. The S&P. Well, this is not the spools, right? This is the US 500. The spools is the E-mini S&P 500 on the 50-minute chart, right? I am not taking a trade on US equities uh, and on the S&P 500 unless I see price hit this 3750 level. This is where I want to get real short, that big short. This is where I want to get real short. And the reason that this is my level, there's a couple of reasons, right? There's a couple of reasons. Shit, my voice sounds so funny. Huh. There's a couple of reasons. Can I still join the buy on gold? Listen, mate, that's your decision to make, not mine. The reason that I dig this is all of this. Right here, we have buy side liquidity. So, when I say liquidity, mate, what I mean is when a price broke with this level right here, hold on, let me grab my brush. When price broke with this level right here, okay, whenever price breaks with a level, either to the downside or to the upside, right, you're going to see this being formed, right? Those are, short positions in the market trying to ride this trend down, right? That's obvious. But these are weak positions because, one, um, you know, there's no real supply level here. So you have to think as an institution, right? These are mostly, weak retail traders. I don't know if weak retail traders is the way to say, right? But these are weak players in the market, right? Um, and more often than not, their stop losses are here, right? They're here. And this is what I call liquidity, right? Those stop losses. So, and more often than not, the market is going to swipe all of this liquidity, right? Hit the real supply zone in this case, and then we're going to see that big move to the downside or the next leg down. You know what? This is probabilities. I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but if I don't see this, I honestly don't see. Wow, gold is fucking rocking. If I don't see this or what I just explained, I honestly don't see a short position on the S&P 500 that has a good edge, right? Um, Same with the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq had a tag here on that previous broken low. So this was a good spot to look for shorts on the Nasdaq. I didn't look at the Nasdaq. The Dow, same thing on the Dow, right? This is the 50-minute chart. Let's have a look at what happened here, guys. What happened here is that you have to look at, you know, hold on, let me just grab my brush. There it is. So here, right? We have that break of the structure. And if you look at this candle, this is a big bad bearish candle. I'm sorry, on the 50-minute chart. I'm sorry about my voice. It's so funny. So, um, and it's the same story, guys. The same story, right? This is the level that was broken with, right? And here is that liquidity being created, right? And where's that supply zone? And that's the tricky thing, right? That's the trick. That's the trick. To pinpoint that supply zone that created, the breakout. So we have a couple. Here's one, right? Here's the here's a supply zone that I would look for shorts at, but more often than not, we are going to see price just coming back above the lows that it broke with, right? And what's going to happen is that, or you know, I mean, I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but very possibly we're going to see this liquidity get taken out, then a new higher low being formed, and then that we're going to see a couple of spikes, then that liquidity getting taken out before the move down, right? So I'm not saying that this is going to happen, right? But I am not keen on trading support and resistance myself. Shit, gold is rocking. Gold is fucking rocking. I love it. Oh boy, I thought I wasn't going to get tagged in on this long in gold. Congratulations, everybody, with me on this trade. If you're not a VIP, you didn't get this trade. I know I sent today a free VIP signal in gold that got stopped out, but you know what? I mean, I don't know which trade is going to be profitable or not. I mean, I do know the probability of success of the trades that I take, but nothing is certain here. So, I hope that two of you took this live 50 code. The code is live 50 for a 50% discount to our VIP, to any of our VIP um, groups. On the monthly subscription only. It's valid for it's valid for you know the Forex group, the crypto group, and the swing trading group. Right now, I'm gonna show you something because it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. I'm gonna leave my drawings here because I want to show you this in gold. Just have a look at this. This is the weekly chart in gold. Don't mind this, right? Now, same thing. Same thing, guys. Same thing, right? I'm looking at levels. I'm looking at levels right here. Now, this is a massive key pivotal level in historic price action, right? The 1612 level. Let's call it the 1613 level, which if we go to the 50-minute chart, this is the level that price is rejecting at the moment. Insane key pivot level in stock price action, right? Now, what I also dig about this, guys, is this. If you notice, we had this flat shit, these flat bottoms in this market right here. This is liquidity, and this liquidity just got taken out, right? Well, a couple of weeks ago, but it got taken out. Now, this, uh, I mean, um, this is just sell side liquidity that got swept or swept. I don't know how you pronounce it, but got swept. Right now, I do think that the highest probability trade in this market is still to the upside. And myself, I am looking for the swing trade at the moment, for the swing trade, because I do believe that this market is giving us a massive opportunity. Right now, I'm taking a swing trade at the moment. I'm just day trading gold. But there is a couple of levels that I'm looking at uh, for breakouts, and if what I'm looking for plays out, then we might get that big swing trade. And when I said big swing trade, I'm talking about a massive R, a massive massive R, a 10 R on a swing trade. So if you want to use the coupon for the swing trading group, well, more power to you. Remember that, and if you subscribe to the swing trading, please don't expect to get trades every day. Swing trading doesn't work like that. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. I have been very patient with this gold setup on the S&P 500 side. Let's go to the weekly chart too, right? On the S&P 500 chart, we are not quite there just yet. This is my zone on the S&P 500 for longs, right? This is my zone. We are not quite there just yet. So there's no swing trades at the moment in US equities, right? Because of this. But when we get on a big trade, we do get on a big trade. Um, we took this short in Ethereum. I think it was in Ethereum or in Bitcoin. I don't remember, but we took a massive short in that market. And if you want to add something else to your arsenal, um, well, the swing trading group is for you. Just you know, uh, be advised that I have cough drops here. Be advised that you're not going to get trades every single day, but when you do, they're going to be big. So I'm going to take some off on my gold longs. I'm going to take 1% off and then move my stocks to break even. And oh boy. So I'm taking two-thirds off right now. Close. I don't know. Hold on. Hold the fuck on. Let's put on this chart very quickly. Yeah, I'm gonna take two-thirds off for 47 pips or 1%. Oh, almost 1%. Let me just send this to my VAPs. I mean, this is what we do, mates. Mm. Taking two-thirds off, two-thirds. Where's there? I don't know what this is. Taking. You know what? I'm gonna do it on my phone. Oh, where is it? Congratulations to everybody on this trade. I have to be very quick. Hold on. Yes. Taking two-thirds off, two-thirds off my gold longs here for 47 pips. Right. Copiar. Yeah. And I'm only stops to break even. But yeah, so all the rest. I'm actually going to take a little bit more off. I don't know. Let me see. No, this is looking very good. I already took 1% off. Yeah, I'm gonna let it ride. I'm gonna let the rest of it ride. Um, phenomenal trade, mates. Congratulations to everybody that took it with me. Uh, um, yeah, I mean, I don't know if you follow us on Instagram, but yeah, I'm going to send the gold setup to the swing trading group, mate, but it's not there yet. Very possibly it's going. I mean, very possibly we're going to be taking it. If not, if not, if not late on today's session, maybe tomorrow, right? And because it's a swing trade group, it's a swing trade. It really doesn't matter if we take it. We take it late on a Friday. Fuck it, it doesn't matter. Yeah, sure. I can check U.S. oil, but just hold on for a second. So, I don't know if you follow us on Instagram, but um, I uploaded a story today. I posted a story today about current market conditions, right? And wow, gold is phenomenal. Actually, hold on, let me screenshot this. Oh yeah. Um, right. What was I talking about? Yes. About current market conditions and the volatility, right? There's still, I hear it all the time, uh, traders that are supposed to be professional traders, they talk about being out of the market when there's high volatility, and I really don't understand that because that's what we do. We're volatility hunters. Um, it's in volatility that we make money, right? Shit, this gold trade is phenomenal. Congratulations to everybody with me on this one. Oh yeah, making money feels so good. Awesome, awesome profits, Twitch. You know what? If I mean, That's the thing, guys. That's the thing. I'm to take the rest of my trade off here for 100 pips, and I made 2% on this one, and that's it. I'm done for the day. Hold on. Taking the rest of my gold longs here for 100 pips. Overall, 1.85% profit in this trade. And I didn't even risk a full 1%. So that was nice. Right. Right. Okay. I am good. You know what? Hold on. So, profits, Twitch profits. I don't know what the fuck that means, but you know, you told me right now that you still had your full gut on that trade. Well, more power to you, mate. More power to you. You know, like I always say this, right? Um, I, I mean, you're never going to hear me say that I'm the best one. No, the way that I trade, um, it has been a journey, right? Let me explain this. It has been a journey. And the way that I trade has been a work around my mindset, right? The reason that I take profits, when I see that I can take 1% off, then letting the rest of it run, and then taking a 1.2% later, without price hitting my targets, is because that that's that is the way that I have found that I make the most money and that I trade the most sanely. That's it. That's it, mate. But if you're subscribed to the VIP group, just don't just blindly follow what I do. Right? Look at your charts. If I'm taking profits and you think it's too early, and because you know that it's too early, or whatever, you do you. I've moved my stop loss to 1634. Well, you're going to get stopped out most likely. If you know what, I am not, I am not the biggest fan of trading stop losses. I hate them. I hate them. Why? Because you already held your trade through all of this motherfucking price action and rally, right? And you put your stop losses here below this low, right? Um, the probability of you getting stopped out, right, on a pullback is super high. That's why also I mean, I take partial profits and move my stops to break even. And if I get stopped out of break even, that's cool. Shani, Forex, sir, gold trade in VAP stop loss done. I don't understand what you mean. What? Stop loss done? What is that? What's it? I don't understand. But good. I don't know. So that was a great trade. I mean, that's what I do. This is what I do. Um, let's review my trade. I'm going to, do what I do, what I always do with my trades, with you guys. So my original entry was was here. Um, 1615 was here. My original stop loss was here, right? Still targeting the 1640, right? Now, I got triggered in here, right? And then, my friends, I saw this. I saw price starting to. No, my original stop loss was here. It was a little bit tighter, right here. Now, my original risk was about 0.7. Let's call it 0.75% or so, whatever, right? And the reason that I did that is because of how volatile the markets are behaving or were behaving right before. So I wasn't going to put on a full risk uh, on a tight stop loss when I wasn't completely sure about the zone that I was trading, right? When I didn't know that price could draw down on me to retest the actual zone, which it did, right? But I also wanted to get triggered in, so I was looking at this right here, these two zones, right? Now, when I saw these two candles or this candle right here, I decided to move my stop losses below the lower zone, right? Yeah, my risk to reward ratio was, got hurt, but uh, because of how volatile, the markets are behaving at the moment. I mean, that was my plan from the beginning, right? And that's it. I made cool 100 pips on this trade. If you held it uh, all the way, well, more power to you, mate. Congratulations, right? No, I'm not gonna do. All right, I'll do a quick U.S. oil, but I haven't traded this market in a while, and my throat is killing me. And no, fuck it, I'm not gonna do it. Sorry, mate. You know what? Yeah. Olympia is coming for the U.S. Open. Don't miss that out, guys. Don't miss that out, guys. Olympia's coming for the US Open. Also, we have been working very, 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 but very hard on this new project that is going to be awesome. So, you already saw the message in the Telegram groups, right? I can't tell you any more than what you already read, but you should definitely join the group for the release. It's going to be awesome. I shit you not. You're going to be amazed of what we have done or we have developed. Okay, my throat is killing me, so I am going to go.